In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with Xfinity. If you're an Xfinity customer wondering how to combine your services for the best streaming experience, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. If you're using Xfinity Internet, you can easily stream live football on YouTube TV by ensuring your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support streaming. Start by signing up for YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Once your subscription is active, download the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, streaming stick, or directly on your Xfinity Flexbox if supported. Log into the app and browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Xfinity's high-speed internet ensures smooth streaming, and you can also connect your device to your TV using HDMI for a better viewing experience. Additionally, if you have Xfinity Flex, you can use its voice remote to launch the YouTube TV app and start watching. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with Xfinity, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.